Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your time spent on Instagram. So first, open your Instagram account, go to your profile, and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. There, you'll see an option called Time Spent. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see how much time you've spent on Instagram. But here's the thing. You can't actually delete your time spent data. Instagram doesn't provide any option to remove it. What you can do, though, is notice that it only shows data for the last 7 days. The best thing you can do is simply avoid using Instagram for 7 days, and your previous time spent data will no longer appear. Another option is to log out of your account for 7 days. This will clear all your time spent history and related data. So that's all for this video. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.